Good morning, guys. We're dealing with words that end with ed or ing. Tricky because there's three rules, or not. I shouldn't say three rules, but three different ways to do this. One is the rightmost column we're gonna do. Just add ing. Hey, that would be nice, wouldn't it? Well, the only one that happens to is our elephant word number 6, fixing. That's the only one you just add ing and don't change on their spelling. Other ones, you drop the final E, like hike, H-I-K-E. Kick out the E and then add ing. Well, this is the one we're going to focus on here, the doubling the consonant. Now, there are some tricks to that. We have 7 such words that do this with both ing and ed. Just as one we went through yesterday, you know the root word is run and trip. But some of these words you need to double the last consonant, which in this case is N, in this case is P. And so you double it and then add ing, or double it and then add ed. So you run, or I am running. You go on a trip, or yesterday I tripped over a rock, right? Those are the correct spellings. But how do you know when to do that and how not to? Well, let's get into that, because there are a couple things that can help you out. Now, I'm just going to kind of be honest with you. I'm going to show you about 3 different ways that people have. And I'm asking you to use the one that sticks best with you. In other words, the one that you know how to use best. Sometimes people say, okay, does it end with the CVC word? You guys know what we're talking about here with CVC is C stands for consonant, V stands for vowel, C stands for consonant. So consonant, vowel, consonant. Now, you gotta look at the root word. Shop. Does it end with consonant, vowel, consonant? Yes, it does. Okay. Begin. Does it end with consonant, vowel, consonant? Yes. Get. Consonant, vowel, consonant? Yep, you get it. All of them work that way. So that's a clue for some people to say, boom. That's when you're going to double the last consonant and then ing. Add ing just like you did here. Shopping, beginning, getting, swimming. That's what helps a lot of people out. Here's another one. Sometimes they just say if it's a short vowel, then you double it. Hop. Remember the short vowels? Sorry, let's go back to that. Short vowels, and you kind of shorten it up. O, U. Those are the short vowels. Long vowels, we actually hear it, what you say. A, E, I, O, U. You actually say the letter. Let's go to no doubling up. Like play. Do you hear the A? You actually hear the A, right? That's a long vowel. That's why you don't have the doubled up consonant. Peak. E, eek. I hear the long E sound, so I do not double the last consonant. Just add ing. Now, let's go to the short vowel. If you hear a short vowel like ha, op, yep, then you double the last consonant like hopping. Sit, sit. Then you double the last consonant like sitting. By the way, that is why number 6, fix, that's why it's an elephant word, because it does not follow this rule, which works for almost everyone. If you say the word fix, that's short I, so it should be, we double the X. Nope, not in fixing. So that's why I'm trying to show you these 3 different rules here, because some of them work every time, but I shouldn't say they don't work every time. They work most of the time is what I meant to say, but they're not going to work every time. But these are clues that can help you. Same with this. Grab. Grabbing. That means you got to double the last consonant because it's a short A. By the way, do you remember the CVC? Is that working here? Consonant, vowel, consonant? Yep. Consonant, vowel, consonant? Yep. Consonant, vowel, consonant? Yep. That's a clue to double the last word. Now again, here's where you got to be careful, because here is clearly, it's not consonant, vowel, consonant, it's vowel, vowel, consonant. That's not the rule. But look here. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Ah, shouldn't we double the last Y? No. Again, that's where you got to remember, nope, this is a long A. A long vowel sound, so you don't double it up. The last rule I'm going to show you, which a lot of people do, is the 1-1-1 rule. If it's one syllable, that means it's just one sound, one vowel, and one consonant. Boom. Then you do it. Then you double the last word. And here we have, again, we have ER, but this is for all the different endings, but specifically IN and ED. But here we go. Big. Does it have one syllable? Big. Yep. Does it have one vowel? I. Yes. Does it have only one consonant? Again, one consonant after the vowel. Yes. G. Then you're going to double it. Bigger. Let's go to drop. Drop. One syllable. One syllable. Does it have one vowel? Yes. And again, notice that it says short vowel sound. And does it have one consonant after the vowel? P. Yes. Then you do it. This rule works many times, not all the time, because if we go back to here, begin, does begin have just one syllable, one sound? No. Begin, two syllables. But you still double the last consonant. So, is this tricky? Yes, it is, guys. It just is. It's 3 different rules, and none of them work 100% of the time. But for the most part, this is going to get you in a pretty good track and doing pretty well with that. That's why this isn't just some, answer to get you guys to sit down and study. But really, truly, these are just words, spelling words you need to study how to spell them. Please note, you guys are going to be making some soup. Congratulations. You need to know which pot you put these vegetables in. Please notice, you guys know that save plus ing is not S-A-V-E-I-N-G. No, it's spelled right here, number 3. The point is, you got to know which rule this is. Do you double the final consonant in saving? No. Do you drop the final E? Yeah, that's one where you kick the E out. So this tomato you got to put in this pot, which means you just simply write saving right here. How about chop? You guys might know, number 1, chop is not just C-H-O-P-E-D. There you got double last consonant, right? Chop, short vowel. Only one syllable here. Well, sorry, I should say the CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. So those follow the rules. That's you double the final consonant, C-H-O-P-P-E-D. You guys make some good soup there. What's cooking down here? Write the basic word that completes the sentence and rhymes with the underlined word. It's got to make sense and it's got to rhyme. Lulu is blank, the broken mixing bowl. What word rhymes with mixing and would make sense? Well, how about fixing? Lulu is fixing the broken mixing bowl. Boom, makes sense, it rhymes. Fixing goes to number 7. That's your assignment for today, guys. Lord's blessings to you as you praise your Savior.